Hey guys, Dougie Fresh here again. Rebuilding the Darkhorse Compensator was recommended by Baxter's Garage. I don't do a lot of videos anymore, but I thought I'd do one real quick on this. It's going to be fast. Jack up your motorcycle, put it on a stand, get your primary off, get back into this thing. You don't need to know those details. What you do need to know that I had trouble finding, even noticing on Andrew's from Darkhorse, his video, and I saw another video, but this is the deal. When you're changing these cushions, it's pretty easy. So you're going to put in your little plate there to keep that from turning, keep your drivetrain from turning. Now, when you're replacing the rubber cushion behind the little section, you got to turn this clockwise. So we're ready to go in here. We're going to put a little pressure on it. And we're going to push it in. You can tap them in if you want. That's it, right there. I only weigh 160 pounds, so I'm pushing on this bar here, but so that's the green one. And I'm setting mine up for the standard one that's quieter and smoother because I don't ride like bad out of hell. This 2012 Electric Glide got 103,000 miles on it. It's 103 twin cam. Anyway, the reason you want to replace these or inspect them, they say every 20,000 miles. I don't know. You know, if you don't ride rough, I think that might be a little overkill. But anyway, at 30,000 miles, you can see the cushion is starting to get some wear. So that's why. Anyway, so when you do this other one, and some of them say put screws in them, and that's fine. So you're going to flip your plate around to the other side, and you're going to go counterclockwise, okay? Let me get her in here. So push up counterclockwise. Whoop, my plate wasn't in there. See if I can get a little better footing. All right, so we're going to push counterclockwise, and we're going to pull the next one out. There it comes. Right like that, with a little pick. Now I haven't looked at this one, but anyway, that was the tough thing, is because none of the videos were saying go forward, then go backward, then forward, then backwards, however you're going to set these up. So hope that helps everybody. It's a short video. That's all I do anymore. You guys take care.